Good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about boundaries of our country India. As we learned in previous class about our country India, India is a great country where people speak different languages. India is full of caste and creeds, religion and cultures. India is the seventh largest country in the world and it is a part of Asia. It has high mountains and fertile plains. It is a land of beautiful flowers and sweet fruit. It is a land of tigers and peacock. See, in previous class we learned about its land area. From north to south it is about 3200 kilometer and from east to west it is about 2900 kilometer. Its land frontier is about 15,200 kilometer and it is a coastline of about 7,500 kilometer. Its total land area is about 32 lakh 90,000 square kilometer. Now let's begin our topic boundaries. India is shaped like a triangle. To the north, we have the Himalayas, China, Nepal, and Bhutan. To the east, we have Myanmar, Burma, Bangladesh, and the Bay of Bengal. To the west, we have Pakistan and the Arabian Sea. To the south, we have Indian Ocean and Sri Lanka. Now children, look at this map. This is a map of India. You can see here it is north, here south, here east and this side west. Now you can see to the north we have China, Himalayas, Nepal and Bhutan. Now come to the east. Here we have Bangladesh, Myanmar, Burma and Bay of Bengal. Now come to the west part. See here to the west we have Pakistan and Arabian Sea. Now come to south part of India. Here we have Sri Lanka and Indian Ocean. Now come to exercise. See, answer this question briefly. Now only in the map we have seen about oceans and country. Now see the first question. Name the ocean to the south of India. The ocean to the south of India is Indian Ocean. Second one, name any country to the west of India. The country to the west of India is Pakistan. Third question, name any country to the east of India. The country to the east of India is Bangladesh. Fourth one, name any country to the north of India. The country to the north of India is China. Fifth one, name any country to the south of India. The country to the south of India is Sri Lanka. That's all for today. Thank you students.